Hola, hi, my name is Melina. Welcome to my channel, and if you clicked on this video, get ready to learn about makeup, plants, my life, and travel. But today, I'm excited because I'm gonna propagate my first Monstera Deliciosa that I bought like 2 months ago, almost 3, no, 2 months ago. So I'm propagating. What is propagating? So propagating is when we cut one of the stems where there is a node, or possibly 2, 3, where there is at least one node and maybe an aerial root, and then we put it in either water, sphagnum moss, soil, and then leave it there until it produces beautiful, beautiful roots. Leave it there for a couple weeks, and then we can plant it in soil or leca or sphagnum moss, or maybe even water. I haven't tried that, but that is what propagation is. Pretty much, we're gonna make a lot of these plants from one beautiful plant. So, this is my very first Monstera. I don't wanna kill her, so I gotta make sure before propagating this to find it. Oh my god, why am I talking with the knife like that? I am so sorry, you guys. So before cutting her, I'm gonna make sure I find a node, at least one node, and a nice root. And I mean, I can leave her alone because she is growing so much and they're so beautiful. But why do we propagate? So we propagate on regular Monsteras. Pretty much you propagate because maybe it's looking not so full on one side and you want it to grow more. That's why you can propagate it, or you want to multiply your plants. Or if this was the variegated Monstera, you would propagate if you see a lot of greenness and you want more of the variegated more of the variegation to come out. So we want more variegated leaves. So you just check and cut out the leaves that are producing with more greenness. You would cut those out and find like a stem that has more of the variegation or the white. So that's where you would cut it on a variegated Monstera. But today we have the regular, traditional, beautiful Monstera Deliciosa, and I'm gonna cut her where she looks a little bald. She looks a little bald here. She has the baby leaves. Well, this one's not a baby, but she has little leaves right here. And then if we turn it here, she's more full and she has more of the fenestrations on the leaves. So I want her, that side to grow, this side to grow like the other side. So in here in the soil, we're gonna find a node. So give me 1 second and I'm gonna put the plant on top so you guys can see. So here she is. This is my Monstera Deliciosa. And if you can see there, right there, if the camera focuses, that's an aerial root right there. And this is 2 stems right here. Y'all can see, and I would cut it right there below the aerial root and this node, but I'm not gonna do that because I like that part. So I wanna find like one of these baby ones and cut those and make a plant out of it. So I gotta look because I wanna find the perfect ones. Maybe these 2. Hopefully they have a root. It's so hard to tell, you guys. I gotta find it first and then I'll show you. So you guys, I think I found one right here. There's a, oh my god, there's a root right there, and then the node's right there, but I gotta be really careful, you guys. So let's see if I can do it. Oh my god, you guys, I just cut it. I wish I could have shown y'all, but I didn't have like a cameraman, but I made a cut. Here it is. There's some beautiful roots. And yeah, I took it out and we're gonna see how it goes. I'm gonna put it in water. I'm gonna add some cinnamon. I'm gonna wash it first, add some cinnamon on the stem. So there's the big aerial root. I cut it right there. There's a node right there. And it has 2 leaves. So we're gonna add some cinnamon on the tip. So you guys, I have my cutting right here and I'm gonna add some cinnamon because I've heard it helps it with the not getting bacteria and stuff on the cut we just made. Hopefully it works. It has a nice root, 2 little leaves, and yeah, I'm gonna put some cinnamon right now. I wish this camera would focus. Put some cinnamon. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna season it. I'm just playing. I'm gonna put some cinnamon on the edge a little bit and cover her and let her dry for a full day. And hopefully no bacteria gets on there. And then we can put it in a nice vase with some distilled water or filtered water, and it has a nice root, and watch her just grow, you guys. So I'm excited to keep y'all updated. If y'all want an update video, let me know. But pretty much I'm gonna let her dry up and then I'm gonna plant her again. So yeah, that is me killing my Monstera, and she's probably hating me right now because she's in pain, and hopefully we'll get a nice plant out of it. She's bald right now and I'm kind of sad, but she's gonna grow and produce. She's gonna produce more stems. Where I cut it, she's gonna produce more stems, and I'm gonna have a nice plant. So I'll keep you all updated. Okay, you guys, so here's the stem. I did put some cinnamon on it. Hopefully it calluses well. The cinnamon is supposed to help with bacteria, for them not to get bacteria and get infected, because once this gets infected it can spread all the way down and it can practically get infected and die. So that's why I use the cinnamon, and I'm gonna let it air dry for about a whole day. Once it air dries, we're gonna put this in this nice vase like this with some water, and then we'll have a brand new baby Monstera plant with baby leaves, and hopefully it'll produce more leaves and a lot of roots so we can grow it. And yeah, so that's propagating a Monstera Deliciosa. My baby right here is a little sad because she's a little hurt, but it's eventually gonna grow more leaves, more stems where I cut it, and she's gonna be beautiful. She's gonna live. I mean, I think she's happy. She has a brand new leaf waiting to unfoil right here, so I must be doing something right. Anyways, you guys, if you want me to update you on this stem propagation, let me know. On a future video I can let you know what happened to it and if it survived or not. And if you like this video, please comment, subscribe to my channel for more videos and more care tips from a beginner's point of view. My name is Melina. I'm glad you hung out with me and we tortured my plant a little bit, but she will live, I promise you guys. Anyways, you guys, thanks for watching. Mwah. Love you guys, and see you on my next video. Bye, guys. So you guys, I decided to, instead of water, use Perlite for my propagation. So I decided to use leca and put it all the way in the bottom with some lava rocks, just so the roots won't touch that part and get all soaked and get root rot. The roots are gonna be like somewhere here. But yeah, she's propagating. She looks happy. Hopefully I get some roots. I'm gonna leave it here for 2 weeks and then just check it out. And hopefully I can have another steady plant and she could be happy and grow some roots and grow big just like my other Monstera. But yeah, I chose to do the leca and I'll keep you updated. I will check it. And it's been a week now. But yeah, hopefully it grows some roots. And I propagated in Perlite because I'm just scared of root rot and putting it, I don't know. Like I was scared because the stem was kind of small, so we shall see. Hopefully we have a little baby Monstera.